Everyone, welcome to my channel. Menopause isn't for pussies. Today I'm going to be reviewing three mascaras, and as I've got older, for some reason, it's like my eyes have taken on like an allergy or something, and my eyes are super sensitive now to wearing mascara. So the brand that I used to use, I quit using it a couple of years ago, and I honestly really struggled to find something that doesn't make me like want to itch my eyes and irritate it and make them red and all that good stuff. And it just brings me some volume and lush lashes. So I've done my homework, and I've received this Clinique one here. And the Clinique one for me was, it doesn't give me like enough lushness, at least this particular one. And I'll put everything in the links below for you and all of that good stuff. But the brush, it's a little disappointing. And sorry, my nails chipped. I need to do my nails. And it's probably, this is a no for me. It just doesn't give my eyes the pop. Wet n Wild, as we know, they have so many great products at an economical, well, budget-friendly price, right? Wet n Wild. And I really do try and stay true to you know, the affordable budget makeup and lotions and all of that good stuff on this channel. So I had to review this one, of course, because I do use their eyeshadows and stuff. Now, the brush is pretty comparable to the Clinique brush, actually. So a little bit of a disappointment. It's just a little thicker. I don't know if you can really see that. So you got the Wet n Wild and you've got the Clinique. So it's a little thicker, and I was hoping that it would go on nice and lush and I would be raving about this product to you because I think it was like $4 or something like that. But this one is a miss. Sorry, Wet n Wild. I love a lot of your products. I do use a lot of them, but this is a miss. So if you're looking for a lush mascara, even the brush, the way that it goes on, no. Okay, so my favorite mascara that I'm in love with, it's called the Lash Blast Clean by CoverGirl. And this one here, I'm in love with the brush. It makes my, I don't know if you can see that. There you go. It makes my eyelashes like just full and voluptuous. I've already put some on, but I'm going to add a little more there. And it doesn't bother me at all in terms of allergies, which is a huge plus. Like I said, I think it's just, my body's changed as I've aged, and this seems to be the new norm is finding a mascara that doesn't irritate my eyes, and this is it. I want to say it's $12 to $15. I will put the price here for you. And once again, I'll put the product links below. And this one I actually mentioned in my ebook below. I'll put the link for that too. But yeah, so this is a really great mascara, ladies. If you find that maybe you used to be able to wear mascara without any worries or any bother, and as we hit our midlife, I'm clinging to that, um, clinging to midlife like it's the last piece of chocolate on earth at 60 years old almost. And this one here for me is a 10. So check it out. I hope that this information's been helpful for you. And I always love to hear your comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, look after yourself, look after your skin, and remember, menopause isn't for pussies.